In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a quiz, add a graded discussion forum, basic assessment and discussions, those two elements into your Moodle course. So log into your Moodle course, go to the wheels, turn the editing on. So I'm going to add those two in week 2. So I'm going to go to add an activity and the resources. First, I'm going to add a quiz. Scroll down a little bit. It's right here. Select, add. So since it's in week 2, so I'm going to say, most likely it's week quiz 2. So copy paste the instruction here for the quiz and set up timing. So I'm going to make it quick and just one example, okay? This is example. Time limit, enable it. Usually you want to limit the time, let's say 10 minutes, they have to get done. And go to grade here. Right now it's uncategorized because I haven't created a category for the quiz yet. So later I'm going to do it. So grade to pass, I put 78. Those are all optional. Sometimes you may give them 2 attempts and pick the highest grade. All right, so it depends. Really up to you. So question behavior, you can shuffle question and you can have other settings set up. And so for the review options, go there, double check. That's what you want. And the appearance, you can do additional setting here. Then after you check everything and set up, you go save and return course. So you create a quiz, but you only create a shell. So you have to click on quiz 2, click on edit quiz. You got to add questions in. So click on add here, add a new question. So I'm going to show you one multiple choice. I'm going to add a multiple choice. Question name, sky color. Okay. So the question text, if you have a Word document, you can copy paste. So what is the color of a clear sky in South Carolina? All right. So 1 point, answer 1. How about blue? And answer choice 2, yellow. 3, red. 4, black. All right. So now you do have to designate an answer key. Okay. So answer key here is 100%. If it's a multiple choice select, you can do 33.33%. Okay. If you have 3 correct answers. Now you notice you have choice 5, right? If you don't put anything there, next time it's gonna go away. So only shows 4 choices. Okay. So save changes. You just add one multiple choice question into your quiz. Okay. So on and so forth. You can put all the questions in. So let's go back to week 2. So we just added a quiz. Next, I'm going to add a graded discussion forum. So go to forum here, click on add. And again, since it's week 2, so I'm going to say discussion 2. Type your instruction there. And check all those settings. If you want to attach, go ahead, attach from here. If you want to do subscription, that means if it's subscribed, every time students post, you're going to get an email, or your peer post, you will get an email. And sometimes you need to use Turnitin. So for grading, again, it's uncategorized because I haven't have the chance to create the category for discussions. Now for rating, since it's graded discussion forum, you want to do usually you want to do maximum rating. It's 10 points. It's on points. So let's say instead of 100, I'll do 10 points. Then double check those settings, check the one it's relevant to you, then save. So you just added a discussion 2 on the week 2. All right. So how to create those categories? So we mentioned this issue here. So go to the wheel, go to the gradebook setup. So categories are created here. So right now you notice I only have a category for papers. So I have paper 1 underneath papers category. All right. So I'm going to add a category for quiz. So add a category. I'm going to say quizzes. All right. Click on save. So add the quizzes. Then add another category. It's called discussions. All right. Let's click on save. Then I go back to the quiz 2. I will do some editing setting. So in here, I'm gonna make sure its grade categories belong to quizzes. Okay, save. I'll do the same thing for discussion forums too. So what I'm gonna do is click on the wheel, click on edit setting. On the grade, I make sure its categories underneath discussions. All right. So now if you go back to the gradebook setup, you will see its papers belong to paper 1 belong to papers, quiz 2 belong to quizzes category, discussion 2 belongs to discussions category. Okay, that's how you set up your gradebook.